Hey there, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we'll show you how to set up a section on your homepage to display the most popular posts using ACPT and Bricks Builder. We'll be using a third-party plugin to help track the number of views for each post on your website. We have an ACPT plugin to create our custom post types and custom fields here. As we mentioned earlier, we'll need a third-party plugin, so let's go ahead and install that plugin. Search WP Post Views using the search function. Install and activate the plugin. Now that we've activated our plugin, let's set it up to track views on our custom post type. It's super easy, just check the box next to our custom post type name. Once done, a new column will appear on the post listing page showing the view counts. We will use this number to decide which post has the highest number of views and feature it in the most viewed section in our homepage. Let's head over to the pages and start to edit the homepage using Bricks. I have a query displaying all car listings. If you missed the previous video on creating a query loop, you can locate it on our channel. We will duplicate the query and modify the title to Most Viewed Cars. In our content, we include a simple text to display the number of views for each post, allowing us to easily see how many views each post has received. It looks like every post is displaying its view count, which is a great start. But our main goal is make sure that only the posts with the highest number of views are shown. To do this, we'll need to head back to the Bricks editor and make some changes. Go to the query element and click on the query icon. Click on Order By and choose Meta Numeric Value. Next, go to the Order Meta key and type in Entry Views, which is generated by WP Post Views to filter the wanted posts. To arrange the posts from the most viewed to the least viewed, simply choose the descending option in the Order section. Then we should limit the number of posts displayed in the section. So set the number of posts you want to show in the Post Per Page section. Save and preview it on the front end. As you can see, our most viewed cars are showing as expected. I hope this tutorial will help you easily create the most viewed posts section using ACPT and Bricks, so don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.